everyone, this is Valentina from Bosa. Today we're going to look into Ustrasana Camel pose, which is a upper back opener and strengthener. And it also requires a lot of hamstring and quadricep engagement and activation and lengthening. Okay, so let's try it out. I'll show you the variation here at the wall because I find that to be the most beneficial to learn this posture. So as you can see, I lined up a blanket underneath my shins just to have a little extra padding. And I'll come real close to the wall until I feel my thighs touching the wall. My thighs are going to make contact with the wall the whole time. Now I've placed these two blankets, which could also be a bolster, right on top of my shins, or my calves rather. I'm going to push down into my shins and feel both the hamstrings and the quadriceps activate. Now I'm going to reach my fingertips up towards the ceiling and lengthen the sides of my body. I'll take another deep breath in, and as I exhale, I'm going to push my hands on the sides of the chest, just like I would in Cobra pose, and lift my chest. Pick up my ribs and lift them some more, okay? Draw the tops of your shoulders back, and now reach your hands behind and reach and touch the fingertips to your bolster or blanket. Now keep reaching your chest up towards the ceiling, activating your legs, and now see if you can open some more without letting your hips come off of the wall. Take another inhale, stay through your exhale, inhale to come up. Now sit onto the bolster. It's going to teach you the action of grounding your shin bones towards the floor, okay? Now try that a second time, and if you want to, now you can remove the bolster. I call the blankets or bolster, okay? So a second time, you go into it the same way. Reach your fingertips up, lengthen through the sides of your body. Take your hands on either side of your chest and move your sternum forward. Now from here, reach back for your heels, and without taking your hips away from the wall, keep lifting your chest. Head can drop back. When you're ready to come up, slowly come up at once. Sit back on your heels. Let your spine reset for a moment before you do anything else. And then take a nice downward facing dog to re-extend your spine. So you can extend the legs back and just stretch your spine out here. Thanks for watching.